Hi, welcome to Nimiq.ph. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to convert NIM to PHP from Nimiq Wallet to Coins.ph using USD Coin. In the main page, click the up-down arrow circular button beneath USD Coin and select one of your Nimiq addresses with balance to convert to USD Coin. 2. Adjust how much NIM you want to convert to USDC in the slider. You can also manually input the amount. 3. Confirm and enter your Nimiq Wallet password. Wait and watch the cool atomic swap process. Now that NIM is converted to USD Coin. Keep in mind this USD Coin is on Polygon network, not Ethereum. 5. Open Coins.ph wallet and head to Balances menu and look for USD Coin. 6. In the USDC interface, click Transfer USDC, then click Deposit USDC. 7. Now in the network selection, remember the network USDC uses in Nimiq Wallet from step 4. Choose Polygon network. 8. Copy the receiving address to clipboard. 9. Back to Nimiq Wallet. Proceed to USD Coin page and click Send at the bottom. Paste the address and be sure to recheck the address before long press to confirm. Input the amount you have to send to Coins.ph wallet. In case there is insufficient balance, round down the amount. 11. Confirm and enter your Nimiq Wallet password. 12. Back to Coins.ph wallet. If the receiving address was input correctly, the transaction should be processing. Check the Others tab in the USDC interface. 13. After few minutes, the USD coin transferred from Nimiq Wallet converted from NIM should reflect in your balance. 14. Finally convert USD Coin to PHP by clicking Buy, Sell USDC and click Sell USDC. Type the amount you received USDC from Nimiq Wallet and click Sell.